So we had the high print just in here. Max went on offer watch just in here, remember? So as soon as we go off on offer watch, we're expecting it to squeeze. So the offer watch came in, the price pushes up. You can see it goes from red to grey. In other words, we're moving into that platinum sell trade opportunity. When it goes from red to grey or green to grey, it's moving into the platinum trade opportunity. They're letting it go, they're letting it go, they're letting it go, and then Max hits the trade. The Max hits the sell button and smashes the price off the highs here. And we get this very, very, very nice sell away from those higher prints. And you can see Max absolutely crashes the price down to the low prints. We don't quite get a red into grey, but we did get the we didn't get green into grey here. But you can see Max is adding a little bit of liquidity at the lows now and starting to bid the lows into those prices. So you're able to pick up maybe some leans against those price areas here, pick up some leans against this price area here. And obviously that trade did okay until ultimately Max came in on this uptick here and started to work some sell orders against that uptick phase there. And the price is subsequently traded back down away from that. And that's just a perfect example of a perfect trade. The only actual signal we had in terms of platinum signals was this Max sell trade into this high print here. So in terms of platinum signals, that's the trade. So it went from a price of 56s to a low price of 43s, 13 points. That's another $650 profit per contract on that little signal. So that's pretty good, isn't it? That's pretty good. We'll take that one any day of the week. We've now got a macro buy on Max as well, just into the bottom edge. So we're going to be looking now for that opportunity to buy into this S&P off the lows. There she goes, 39 long for Max, now traded 40 3/4. Scratched out +1 on that, so we're still buying into the bottom edge now. Max is now long a buyer, so we've just had a little buy swing at it, made some wee quick cash money on the trade and a quick stop to break even, in which case we did get scratched at break even +1 on the trade, but it's buys off the bottom edges for me just now, guys. Max went from a macro into a micro long. We got a platinum excuse to buy into it. Max is long off 39s, currently now trading 41s. Did anybody join in with a Max buy trade? 39s? It's now traded 40 once. Stops the break even, guys. Stops the break even if you did. There's the 42.5 traded, guys. 42.5 traded. 43 3/4 traded. How good is that little Max trade? Pretty good. Yeah, we'll give Max that one. Perfect example of a platinum buy trade off the bottom edge, guys. Perfect example of a platinum buy trade off the bottom edge. 39 traded at a high print of 44s. Max starting to add a bit of liquidity above and starting to take some monies off that uptick now, guys. Max taking some monies off the uptick. Platinum buy trade off the 39s, traded a high price of 44s, just about. So 5 points profit for the bold boy, and that's okay. $250. It only took 1.5 minutes, guys. 1.5 minutes, and the money was already banked, and your ex-wife had already spent it, which is pretty rapid, even for her.